Hello my beautiful people. In this video I will be sharing with you 5 lucrative dirty business you can start from anywhere in this African country. So please try and watch to the end, like, share and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell to get you notified each time I upload a new video. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So number 1 in my list is charcoal business. You can start this business even without you having any capital. Do you get? How you can start businesses? You can go to your village, source the charcoal. I don't mean you selling the charcoal to the people that are cooking only. No, you can still sell to them. But I mean, when you source the charcoal back there in the village, you can come to the city and look for all those big companies that are making use of the charcoal. You know that there are so many things that they are using charcoal for. Yes, you can even import this charcoal. You can start importing exporting this charcoal to other countries. So charcoal business is one of the dirty business that most of us are looking down on. Do you get? So this particular business, charcoal, is one of the lucrative business that you can venture into. Number 2 in my list is toilet business. Yes, it may sound somehow, but here is the real truth of it. You can build this toilet facility around a place where you know that there is no toilet around for people to use, like in public places, in car parks, and all like event centers. Maybe there is this particular big field that people are using for event. Know that this kind of area, like, there will not be toilets for general people to use. You can as well build this particular toilet, the people will use it and you still make your money. So all this money is in dirty business, but we Africans, we are looking down on it. Number 3 is cleaning services. Yes, maybe you can start by laundry. You wash people clothes, you iron it, you take it back to them, they will pay you. You clean people's houses, you clean companies, you clean offices, you will still get paid. The only thing that you need to do is you can visit all those offices or companies, tell them that this is what you are doing, this is that you can do it, this is what you are into. If they consider you, if they will take you, but I know sure that they will consider you. Do you get? So when you clean, you will get paid. So you start this cleaning business. It's very, very lucrative. Like, you will not understand what I'm saying until you get into this business. Maybe it may be sounding somehow to you. You may not understand it, but to me that is saying it, I know what I'm saying. Cleaning business is very lucrative. People are so busy that they cannot be able to clean their house, clean their home because of their tight schedule. Do you get? So if you can be able to take up that space from them, you will get paid. So number 4 is palm oil business. Yes, you will believe me that palm oil business is the real oil money. Do you understand what I'm saying? All you need to do is, during the season of oil, palm oil, you go to your village, you source good organic oil. You buy it in a very large quantity, depending on how much. You can start with the little you have. From there, you will start growing. So you will buy as many palm oil as you can buy. You come back, you can store it. You store it for like August, September. Yes, that is when you will sell that oil and make good profit. You see, August, September, that is when you will sell your palm oil. Like, it will surprise you how much you might even make, like 10 times of the money that you used to buy it when it is in season. So palm oil business is very, very lucrative. Do not look down on this palm oil business. God. This oil is life changing. Look at those people that are into this particular oil business and see how their life is. You know that it's seasonal something. So you get it when it is in season, you sold it when it is out of season. So number 5 is garbage collection. You can do this business, maybe you buy tricycle or anything that you will just use and go to people's house, collect their baggage, that is collect their refuse, they will pay you. But before you start this business, you have to make an inquiry to know if there is any legislation going on in this particular business, so that you will register before you go in, so that you will not have issues with the community or thereabout. So after all sort and done, you can drive the tricycle. You may not drive it, you can just employ people to drive the tricycle for you. They'll go to people's house, they'll go to people's offices, they will just collect their refuse. You have a particular place where you dispose the refuse. Like, let me tell you, money is in dirty business. Real money is hidden in dirty business. If you can be able to consider any of this business, you'll be cashing out more than all these people that is wear suit and tie, sit down in office and wait for uh, and be waiting for their salary every month. But you that is into this dirty business, guys, you will be cashing out. Okay, let me give you this as a bonus. That is 6, right? Recycling business. This one is too common that you used to see people going around picking rubbers, picking this one, picking that one for them to recycle. Let me tell you, you see, in this particular recycle business, this is why I told you that there is money hidden in dirty business. If only you can make yourself dirty. If you can make yourself dirty, you will be a multi-millionaire in no distant time. This is pure truth that I'm telling you. So all these people that are into recycle business, they will be picking rubbers, picking all this one, picking all that one. At the end, they will gather it and go and sell it. These people, they are hidden millionaires. You'll be looking at them as mad people that, how can they be doing this kind of thing? How can they be doing? Their pocket is breathing more than you that is clean, more than you that is like, don't play. There is a whole lot of money in dirty business. If only you make yourself available, make yourself dirty, like, to make this money. So if you watch to this end, please like, share, and subscribe. These are the 5 plus bonus lucrative dirty businesses I have for you. Please consider to subscribe. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.